We want to make makers sexy. We want to make inventors sexy. We want to make innovators celebrities.
Yes, it's Bush Punk from Makers Faire Africa.
Yes.
I'm Cyrus Kabiru.
So what are you doing? What are you showing?
I'm making the glasses and I call them cisternas.
Cisternas? Where do they come from? What are they made of?
C for Cyrus, C for C. Yeah, and I work with found objects.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nairobi.
Nairobi? Okay. So how is your first day here?
Yeah, it's yesterday was my first day and it was nice meeting, mingling with people, discussing about my artwork.
Two very interesting ones. One was the gentleman who makes his own radio stations, and he's working together with a local NGO who work with children. So he's both set up a radio station for them because they have 4 centres so they can talk to each other, and he's taught the children how to play with their own radio making things. So that was a really nice connection. And we had people who collect plastic bottles coming from the informal settlements, and they were looking for contacts what to do with their plastic, and now they're working together with the guys who make the furniture from plastic bottles. So that's a very nice linkage, you know, a supply chain. And one that I also really liked was the photographer Nana Aqua Kofi. He connected with Paul Sika, and they've become colleagues, even though they're from Ivory Coast and Ghana. And Paul Sika has since been on CNN Inside Africa and really got a lot of exposure. It's definitely an ingredient that helped him move forward. The main difference is that we've got way more Kenyan and East African makers here. Last year we had, say, 50% international and 50% Ghanaian, whereas here there's a lot more homegrown, so to speak, folk. And there are some very interesting combinations between, you know, the spectrum of tech from the most high to the low working together. So we've got mechanical connected up to mobile phone applications, and we've got the same maker making that, like Simon Kimani over there. Very interesting.
What we deal in, what we have manufactured, we've uniquely designed a solution that's different, you know, uniquely for the African environment, knowing that most African pellet systems, they use pit systems, you know, where they dig holes into the ground. The difference between our products and everybody else's product is that a year you have 250,000 kids dying with diseases that are related to poor sanitation. Hence, we devised a new hygienic pit system. It's a unique system in the sense that it flushes. It's the only pit system toilet that flushes. It divides your urine and your I'm not sure if I should say the word, your feces, for lack of a better term. It also is an empowerment arm in the sense that it's a recyclable process. It's a total 360 solution. You know, it's the safest. It also saves cost from a government point of view, where they don't have to continuously go to take out and suck out the stuff and remove it and go draw it somewhere else. Secondly, we've manufactured a water meter system that saves water, in a sense that it increases the lifespans of the pipe by regulating the flow of water that goes through the pipe. It's accurate in a sense that it's the only AMR system in the market right now. It also reads the meter reader electronically via, you can send you a text message to your phone saying how much you used. It's the only meter in the market that's not, most meters are pressure driven. So if you blow through the pipe, the reader will still go. It's the only meter in the market that is flow driven. It reads the flow, it charges you basically on the flow of the product that you use.
Okay, what are you showing here?
We are Kobe Projects. We are a technology transfer company, and we do technologies that have social impact, huge social impact. So on display here we have a soil block press. It makes interlocking soil blocks.
So how was your first day here?
My first day in Makers Faire.
Yeah, how was it yesterday?
It was really empowering, eye-opening, and inspiring.
In which ways?
I mean, I got to see people, talk to people, you know, listen to other people's ideas and capitalizing on them. Yeah.
Did you get any feedback for your own products as well?
Yes,
and how was it?
There's a lot of positive feedback. People want to be part of what we are doing. Yeah, so that is great.
Okay.
A lot, because I not only stayed here, I also went to the other booths to see what people are doing. It was really like a good experience, because some people came here, they knew what you are doing, and it's really positive to know that at least some people are interested to know what you're doing. And I also knew a lot yesterday.
Okay, thank you.
I'm here at Makers Faire Africa 2010 in Nairobi, and I've come here from Kampala, Uganda with a homemade set of solar-powered LED-based traffic light controller system.
Okay, my name is Linda Jerry Kamau. At the Makers Faire, I'm a volunteer working closely with Eric. He's one of my colleagues at Ushahidi. So I'm helping him out with technical stuff, especially networks and blogging and also tweeting about the event.
So what was your takeaway from the first day?
I think the first day started well, like really early in the morning. People were setting up their sites, and it was interesting to see what innovations that Africa has to offer, and Yeah, even though it wasn't really full, but it went well. Like, it really went well. I like the whole setup.